Do you struggle to start new work because you don't have the right leaders? Do you struggle to build good, positive, generative relationships with your business stakeholders because your teams don't speak business? Do you struggle to convince your business stakeholders to give you more complex, more strategic work? Lack of team level tech leadership capabilities can stifle an entire organization, especially if you're a GCC. Let's talk more about that. Going from an individual contributor to a team lead role is one of the most difficult transitions that developers go through. A smart developer gets promoted and they find themselves working with a set of completely new stakeholders, executing a set of completely new responsibilities. Apart from writing code, they now have to make technical and architectural decisions for their entire team. They have to talk to business stakeholders in business language. They have to contribute to delivery planning in terms of risks and estimates. And they are responsible for the growth of their own team. Now, most new tech leads take about a year or two to sort of find their feet and get relatively okay at executing these new responsibilities. But this is a period of extreme frustration, not just for the tech lead, but for the team around them. There are strained relationships because the tech lead hasn't figured out how to delegate effectively. They don't know how to give autonomy, but also hold a high standard of quality. They are unable to create a good relationship with business stakeholders because they don't speak business. The decisions that they're making are also short-sighted, which leads to piling tech debt and degradation of the architecture of the application. Now, what is really surprising is that most organizations just let new tech leads struggle with this for the first 1 or 2 years. If the organization took a more structured capability development approach, they'd be able to shrink this time from 1 or 2 years to a mere 3 to 6 months. We run a 3-month program that teaches technical and non-technical topics to new tech leads. Technical topics like domain-driven design, architectural decision records, or non-tech topics like business value articulation, delegation, stakeholder management, negotiation. But the essence of our program is not just the topics that we cover. It is our ability to blend classroom learning with social learning, or cohort learning as we call it, as well as using mentoring and coaching and on-the-job assignments to make sure that the new tech leads are able to apply the theory to their real-life situations. Now, we've run this program for 1,000 tech leads, and if you look at the impact of this program from the point of view of increased productivity for the entire team, the team's ability to do more complex work, and reduced attrition because of better relationships between the team members and the new tech leads, this program pays for itself at least 50 times over. Now, we want to share this methodology with you in an upcoming workshop on how to build great tech leadership for your organization. The details are in the description, and we'd love to see you there.